Septic tanks and well water systems can totally mess with your home life if you don't keep up with them, so knowing how to care for these is clutch. Alright, here's the deal with septic tanks and wells. First off, pump your septic tank every 3 to 5 years, no exceptions, to avoid nasty backups. Avoid driving or parking heavy stuff on the drain field because it can crush the pipes and ruin the whole system. For wells, testing your water regularly is a must to catch any contamination early. Adding a water softener can make your water way better if you've got hard water, plus it helps protect your pipes and appliances. Get the biggest pressure tank you can fit because it cuts down on the pump cycling, which saves the pump from burning out fast. Remember that pressure tanks need some love too. Check and top off the air pressure in the bladder every once in a while, or you'll end up replacing pumps more often than you want. Your well water usually passes through a bag filter for sediment and then conditioner tanks to balance acidity, so those need servicing about every 6 months by a plumber. Keeping those regular maintenance appointments saves you from huge headaches down the road. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic tanks is skipping regular pumping, which leads to overflows and costly repairs. Fix this by scheduling pumping every 3 to 5 years like clockwork. Another common issue is driving or parking heavy vehicles on the drain field, which compacts soil and crushes pipes. Just keep heavy stuff off that area and mark it clearly if needed. With wells, many folks forget to test their water or service the filters and conditioners regularly, risking bad water quality and damaged equipment. So set reminders for testing and professional maintenance every 6 months to keep everything running smooth. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about septic and well systems. It also helps contractors get steady work by connecting them with people who need reliable home services without all the hassle.